This is was last night our third night in Poland, and a couple of funny stops, wild camp stops in Poland so far. But this one, third night, very strange lake down there. The van's just there in front of me, and the lake is just here, a few meters away. But it's so weird, it's such a strange colour. It's the algae obviously, but it's kind of giving it a marbly effect. It's really weird. I haven't seen anything like that before. We will not be going swimming in it. I think if you get kind of 20 metres out the lake, 20 metres that way, then it's just normal. So it's literally just this kind of area here that's kind of algae and weird. Yeah, another thing about Poland since we arrived is the weather's been really, really strange. We had that kind of crazy thunderstorm that just appeared from nowhere yesterday. We had a bit of rain. It's very grey but still and humid, really, really humid. So it is kind of eerie, weird weather to go with the eerie, weird places we've seen so far.
But anyway, we're in the suburbs of Wroclaw, one big city as we drove past it last night. We arrived here quite late in the evening yesterday, but we're going to go and check out the city. We're going to move spot now and park next to the zoo and either check out the city today or head in first thing tomorrow morning. So we're in Wroclaw, Old Town on the main square, and it's really, really cool. It's the first city we've been to in Poland, and it's really, really nice. You've got all these, I don't know whether they're Baroque, but all these really intricately designed buildings, loads of colour, loads of different colour, pedestrianised, cobbled streets, main square. You've got the crazy town hall, which is like loads of styles put together, churches, cathedrals, little Hansel and Gretel gateway, and my favourite and unique to Wroclaw is these cool little gnomes everywhere. Apparently there's like 200 in the city and they're just dotted around.
Spotted one! Gnome! Spotted another gnome.
Where?
Over there in the doorway!
Okay, Sarah gets 1 point.
Go to the tourist information, get a map and go for a gnome hunt. Didn't do that, but spotted a fair few. That's been the highlight for me, and we had a little wander around. We just stopped for a beer. Really nice, so thumbs up.
We haven't really left the van much today, apart from I took the dogs for a nice little walk in this park earlier on. So they've been out, they've had a nice time. Nick's been editing most of the time today. It was a bit bad weather when we first started the day, and we really wanted to get a vlog out tonight. So that's just almost done. It's uploaded now, ready to go. And we really need to get out of this van. So we're gonna go into Wroclaw, we're gonna have a drink, we're going to get some fresh air because this will be uploaded, and we just want to get out of the van for a couple of hours. The boys are tired after their nice walk in the park, so they're going to stay here and keep an eye on the van, and we're going to go and have a little walk around the city in the evening, have ourselves a little drink and enjoy it before bedtime.
different atmosphere at night. It's all lit up. Different street performers, some nice fire breathers, some nice fire performers. Little harp player going on. It's quite cool. Some little shadow lights up on the building. So we'll just come in, a few beers, have a walk around, check out the atmosphere, and then we're getting back to the dogs.
So it's a nicer day today, the sun's come out and it's time for us to leave Wroclaw. We stayed in this car park which is about 3 or 4 kilometres from the city, but it's really nice. It's close to the road, but just beyond the car park is a lovely park, green park with flowers and trees, and it's really nice, and you can cycle all the way along there into the city, so it's a really nice cycle as well. So yeah, all good. But now it's time to go back to the nature and enjoy some peace and quiet. So we've just realised that we have just reached our most northernest point of this little trip. Now we are heading back south. So Wroclaw is the most northernest part that we're going to for now, and so now we are heading back south.
Sometimes you have a choice which road to take. Sometimes you can't always trust your sat nav or Google because it doesn't know the state of the roads. I mean, look at this. Or listen to this.
Yeah, roads like this actually sounds like Vinny's wheels are going to fall off. So we have to go quite slow. A few of these roads in Poland, I'm not going to lie, there has been a few roads. Oh my gosh. It's like massive potholes. Let's get back on the road now. There's someone behind us. Crazy. So the situation is now, there's a bridge here, 2.5 maximum height. We don't know if we're less than 2.5 maximum height. So Nick is currently, because we don't want to go under there and then there's quite a bit of traffic and then stop and have to reverse. This is so embarrassing. We made it under a little thing in Portugal that was 2.65, but only just. We think by getting the tape measure out that we are more than 2.5. Let's turn around and find another route. Okay, so this is our first Polish castle, and legend has it that a dragon used to live here in the Monks of Rocks. Little tiny one.
Oh, you had me there, Don. You had me for a bit then.
Loads of tiny dragons.
Yeah.
In fact, they can still be spotted every Wednesday in each fortnight. Tiny dragons.
What are they called? Have they got a special name?
Castle dragons.
Draggles.
And that's the history on this beautiful castle here in Bumlicht. What is it?
Bobolice.
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 Castle.
Full of knowledge, this one. This one is full of information. This one here is like a guru, like a shaman. She knows everything. See if I could just put that in like that. No, it's quite nice though. So this royal castle of Bobolice was built most probably around 1350 to 1352. Treasure hunters found an immense treasure beneath the castle, and they believe there's much more treasure in between this castle and the one just down about a kilometre down the road at Mirov. There's tunnels linking these two castles and there's more treasure to be found there.
Right, so there's a sign behind me, and this is where you tie up your ghosts. I don't know where we put the boys if we want to go in the castle, but this one here is for your ghosts. So I haven't seen anywhere where you tie up your dogs or even put your bikes. We don't have our bikes, but we have our dogs, but we don't have ghosts. As you can see, this is where you chain your ghost. So I believe that the dogs are allowed to come into the castle with us.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.